Excuse me, sir.
Is it right now? So if I were to jump in front of the phone,
Good afternoon, friends. How are you? Good afternoon. We're going to do some vocabulary today. Do you guys remember any of our other vocabulary words that we did? We had winter words. Vocabulary, yes. We had winter words. I know we had some winter clothing, like mittens and scarf and hat, right, Jeff? We talked about those winter words. Well, now we're going to talk about winter animals. Holy cow. Our first word we have is snowy owl. Brayden, which one is the snowy owl?
That.
You're correct. Snowy owl. The snowy owl flew up to the branch. Has anyone heard of an orca before? No? An orca is a big, giant whale. They jump right out of the water. Pretty cool. That's what an orca looks like.
So about water?
Yes, it jumps right out of the water.
Water?
Our next word is polar bear. Jeffrey, what one is the polar bear? What one is it? I'll bring him closer to you. What one's the polar bear? Oh, try one more time. That's an Arctic fox. This one is a polar bear. Can you see it?
That's polar?
Yes, that's a polar bear. Great job. Our next word is musk ox. Have we even ever heard that before? No, it's not a very common animal. Hey, Jason, take a look. This is a musk ox. Look at that. Musk ox. Good job, Madison. An Arctic fox. Do you guys know what a fox looks like?
Yeah.
This fox is white. Which one is the Arctic fox, Brandon? Oh, good one. Good. Oh, you guys know a song about the fox, huh? Arctic hare. Do we know what a hare is? Do you know what a hare is? Is that a rabbit? It's a rabbit. Correct. Oh, a walrus. Have you guys ever seen a walrus before?
Yeah.
Walruses lay on their big chubby bellies and they move with their arms. It is kind of funny. And you guys, I didn't even know this about this, so I'm learning about this right with you. An ermine. Look at it. A tiny little guy. Take a look, Jeff. Look how cute he is. Look how cute. He's very small. Yeah, take a peek. We're just looking. Just looking.
We have that one in my house.
What? I don't. You do? That sounds pretty cool. Pretty crazy. So now I'm going to get onto the computer really quick and we're going to go through the Polar Animal Scholastic magazine. Oh, it's cool. It is cool. And there's some animal videos in it. It's all about the Arctic animals we just talked about on here.
We watch it now.
Yes, we will watch it now as soon as the projector turns on. I have it all up and ready to go. Okay. Here we go. Arctic animals. Let's move on to the magazine. You can't see? Oh, I'll move that for you. Thank you, Miss Kim. Let's listen.
What's on my whip?
Arctic giants. Welcome to the Arctic. It has ice and snow, and some enormous animals. Walrus, polar bear, musk ox.
Very cool. We talked about those animals, didn't we?
The enormous animals of the ice and snow. Polar bears are enormous. They walk on the snow with their huge paws. Walruses are enormous. They pull themselves along the ice with their long tusks. Musk oxen are enormous. Their long fur keeps them warm in the snow and ice. Orcas are enormous. They catch prey in the icy water with their big teeth. Little animals live in the Arctic too. Arctic foxes are little. Arctic hares are little. Ermine are little. Big word, camouflage. Some Arctic animals use camouflage to hide. They are as white as snow. It is hard to see them. Which of these animals are using camouflage?
Ooh. Did you guys hear that about the camouflage? It helps them to hide in the snow. So in this case, they're all white. So can we talk about what animals are using camouflage? They have 3 here at the bottom. They have, yeah, it's great and seed. They have the Arctic fox use camouflage, the Arctic hare, the ermine, and you can't even really see him over here. There's a snowy owl hiding out. Do you guys know what the word enormous means? They use that a couple times up here. They said polar bears are enormous, walruses are enormous. What could that word mean? Do we have any idea? Enormous means really, really big. Yes, really humongous. I'm sure you've heard humongous before. Jason, do you have a question? Oh, you've heard humongous before? I bet you have. Let's see what else they have to say. Oh, there's some videos here first. Let's check out this polar bear video. Let's check out this walrus video. Let's see what he has to say. You see those big teeth hanging out? Those are called tusks. You like the animal videos tonight? Yeah? A habitat is the place where an animal lives. The Arctic is a cold and icy habitat. Help the baby muskox walk through its habitat to get to its mom. Oh, that might be hard to do on the screen. I know they have a different game on here. Let's move on to that other game. Oh, we just talked about this word, enormous. Which of these animals is enormous? Brandon, would you like to go up and take a shot? Pointing out what one you think is enormous. Enormous means really, really big. What one of those animals do you think is really big? Do you want to take a shot, Jason? Go up there and try it out. Oh, yes, the polar bear is enormous. Very, very big. Thank you, Jason and Brandon. I'm going to drag it up there.
Which of these animals is enormous?
That one looks like is a bunny rabbit, and that one is the musk ox. Raise your hand, show me who wants to answer which one is enormous. Danae, do you want to take a shot? Go up there and tell me which animal is the bigger one. Which animal is bigger?
You can hardly even see the
Yeah, it's just like eyeball.
I see like one black dot.
Yes, good job, Danae. Great work. I like how Jason is encouraging to our friend.
Tusks. Tusks are long, pointed teeth that you can see on an animal, even when its mouth is closed. Which animal has tusks?
Ooh, this one's tricky. They both have some type of horns, but tusks come out of the mouth. So who thinks they can tell me which one has tusks? Jacob, you want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
Come on, I'll help you get up there. Which one has tusks? Yes! Yes, great job. Mr. Walrus has some tusks. There you go. I'll move it over there. You have tusks too? I don't think people have tusks.
Which walrus has longer tusks?
Brayden, would you like to go to the front and tell me which one has longer tusks? Which ones are longer? Yes, great job. They have longer tusks. Yes.
Prey. Prey is an animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal. In which photo is the fish prey?
The fish is the prey, so it's another animal's food. Brandon, you want to go back up there?
Yes.
All right. Which one is, in which photo is the fish prey? Yes, you got it right.
In which photo is the snake prey?
Jason, why don't you go up there? The snake is the prey. Oh, that one, the snake is the predator because it's eating something else. Oh, the bird is eating the snake, which makes the snake prey. Good job.
Camouflage.
Ooh,
Camouflage is a
talk about
pattern or color
camouflage?
that helps an animal blend in with the things around it.
Hey, Madison, why don't we give you a
helps an
try?
animal hide.
Which
Which
animal
owl
is
is
hiding?
camouflage?
Oh, good, yes! The snowy owl is hiding. Thank you, Madison.
Which fox is camouflage?
Hey, Jeff, come on up. Which fox is camouflage? What fox is hiding? Oh, that fox is out in the middle of a field. You can see him pretty good. What fox is hiding? He's hiding, correct. High five. Thank you, friend. Wow.
Habitat. A habitat is the place where an animal lives in nature. Which is a polar bear's habitat?
Does a polar bear live in the Arctic snow or in the jungle? In the Arctic snow. Correct.
Which is a dolphin's habitat?
Where does a dolphin live? In the water or in the desert? In the water.
Good work.
Whoa. I didn't see that coming. Okay, friends, I'm going to get out my winter scene. Look at this. How nice. I didn't make it. One of my friends made it. He is quite a better artist than I am. Jeff, I'll give you an animal. What about the polar bear? Hold on, I'll call you up when I'm ready for you. You can have a seat by Miss Beth until I'm ready.
Oh.
Wow, I have more than enough. Box. All right. Let me get out these really quick. You like it? What do you have there, Janae? Oh. So I'll give you an example. Miss Jackie has the Arctic hare. I am going to come up and tape on the Arctic hare to this winter scene. I need to ask myself a few questions now. Does the Arctic hare live in the water?
No.
No. Does he live up in a tree? No. You find him down in the snow, correct? Yes. Who has the snowy owl? Who has the owl? Take a look at your card. You have the snowy owl? Would you come up to the front, Brayden? I'll give you a piece of tape. And where could the snowy owl belong in this picture? Oh, in the sky, maybe up there. Or maybe in the tree is a great spot. Here, we'll put this tape on the back. And you can put up the snowy owl where you think he belongs. Right, and put him up tall on a tree branch. I think that's cool. Who has the polar bear? Who has the polar bear, Mr. Jeff? Thank you for waiting patiently. Jeff, where would you find the polar bear? Here's a piece of tape. You want the polar bear by the snowman? All right, you can put the polar bear on. Great choice, great choice. Who has the orca, the big whale? The orca whale. Take a look at your picture. Who has the orca whale? Brandon has the orca. Here's some tape. Brandon knows his goes in the water. There you go, sir. Great. Oops. I'm going to get this stick a little harder. Thank you, Brandon. Who has the musk ox? It's really hairy. And it has some little horns coming out. Who has it? You have walrus. Hold on. Madison has the musk ox. Hold on, my friend. I'll give you some tape for the back. And you can add the musk ox to our winter scene. Musk ox doesn't live in the ocean. He doesn't live up in a tree. Great. He walks on the snow. You can put him wherever you want. Good. That's a great spot. Thank you, Madison. Who has the Ernie? It's a tie. I think Danae has it. Would you come up to the front? Isn't he cute? He is like a little baby. Hold on. I'll put this tape on the back. And it showed him in pictures on the screen digging in little holes in the snow. So where do you think he would be? Do you think he'd be in the snow or in the water? I think he's in the snow. He belongs on the ground. Good job, Danae. Who has the walrus? I think that's our friend Jacob. Great job. He goes in and out of the water, yes, so he can wait. He can go right on the edge over there. What do you think? Good. All right, you can put him on. Great. What was that? All right, I think that's good. Oh dear. Did the tape fall off, buddy? I might need to put more on. No, you're good. Let's just put it. Let's do it together. Right here. Okay, you just put it over there. Wherever you find the water. Good job. We have one more to go. Who has the Arctic fox? Who has the Arctic fox? I wonder who it is. Who hasn't had a turn yet?
Jason.
Come on up, Jason. Here's a piece of tape for the back. You can stick it on wherever you like. Oh, on top of the snowman. What a crazy little box. So what do you guys think of our winter scene? I think it looks pretty good. That was very nice. Breaking the snowman. Well, we can do this again later when we have more time to review our vocabulary words. But I have an idea. Why don't we let a little bit of some wiggles out before we move on? And then move this out of the way. Why don't you guys come up to the front of the room? We can all come up here. And we're going to act like polar animals. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Come on in. Come here, Danae. So first, let's act like polar bears. Jeff, you want to come act like animals with us? Hey, Brandon. Let's get like polar bears. So how do polar bears walk? They walk on all fours. Let's get on the mat. Feet on the ground, just like this. This is polar bear pose. What noise do polar bears make? Can you make a growl? Can you do a check? Can you make a polar bear growl? Okay, back to our feet. Back to our feet. Standing up. Standing up, Jason. We're waiting for you. Now I want to act like snowy owls. Can we act like snowy owls? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. We're snowy owls. Okay, hands by our sides. Hands by our sides. I know this isn't one of our vocab words, but it might be fun to walk around like a penguin. Can we wiggle wobble like a penguin?
You walk like that one?
Okay. Are you ready? Let's do one more. One more. Are we ready? Arctic hare. So let's get down on the splat. Ready to jump? Make a little rabbit. Jeff is good at the rabbit jump. Rabbit jump. Rabbit jump. Okay, friends. Thank you so much. I wanted to get some wiggles out. Let's go back to our seats.
Smell?
And then we have one more activity to do. Broken out.
Armand. Hate the thing.
I'll give them to them up there and then we'll go back. So the last thing we're going to do today about our Arctic polar animals is a search. You guys are going to search for the animals in this I Spy kind of thing. What do you think? I think we have two different forms. No, we don't. All right, I'm going to give these to our paras, and then we're going to move back to our spots so we have more working space. What do we think? Thumbs up? Okay, where are you at, Miss Yellow, here's two.
Come on, Jacob.
Here, are you working with the big guys over there? Here's three. And here's the last one up front here.